Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save for your child's education with Rowe Price, beginner guide step by step clearly. Saving for your child's education can feel overwhelming. However, Rowe Price offers tools and resources to simplify the process. Begin by setting a clear savings goal. Consider the type of education you envision for your child, whether it's public school, private school, or college. Next, evaluate the current costs of education in your area. This will provide a realistic benchmark for your savings target. Open a dedicated education savings account. One popular choice is a 529 college savings plan. This account allows your funds to grow tax-free when used for qualified education expenses. Research the specifics of your state's 529 plan, as benefits can vary. Once your account is established, automate your contributions. Set up regular transfers from your checking account to ensure consistent saving. Consider starting small, even small amounts can add up over time. Utilize any potential employer-sponsored college savings plans. Check if your workplace offers payroll deductions for education savings accounts. Explore investment options available through Rowe Price. They offer various funds tailored for education savings, allowing you to choose one that aligns with your risk tolerance. Monitor your investments periodically. Adjust your contributions and investment choices based on your child's age and your savings progress. Encourage family members to contribute to your child's education fund for special occasions. Stay informed about education savings strategies and tools. Rowe Price provides online resources and educational webinars specifically for this purpose. Finally, review your progress at least once a year. Make adjustments to your plan as needed to stay on track with your savings goal. By taking these steps, you can create a strong financial foundation for your child's education. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.